pillows. Don't need that. So while the car cools down, I'm gonna actually try to assemble it at least a little bit. We just finished unboxing the Invidia N1 exhaust, and we are super hyped to get this on. This will be our first time doing this, so it may take a while. So happy with the product so far, really well taken care of. Just to give you guys a little context, it took me 6 months to get this shipped out to me. I had ordered this back in January and it took 6 months, but of course it was coming directly from overseas, so I definitely understand why it took so long. And then probably with COVID, of course, there were a lot of delays, but today's the day we're gonna try to get this on. And then heard a lot of really great things about this exhaust. A lot of people say that it's not excessively loud, but it does have an aggressive tone to it. So I can't wait to have this on my car. I've been waiting to add some more aggressiveness to it, and this is gonna be our opportunity. So stay tuned.